temperatures will return for Thursday through the weekend with temperatures ranging from the upper 90s to around 105. The next chances for rain look to come on Sunday and Monday with cooler temperatures expected for the start of next week.
I'm just kind of waiting for
the temperature was the dew point was 74 and the relative humidity was 81%. In San Angelo, skies were sunny. 90 degrees. Dew point 74.
Now.
Yeah, for the lineup.
So yeah, I'm ready to hit.
Miles an hour, gusting to 23.
Like basically any second. So again, so yes. I don't know, but it's kind of, I have to use a restroom, but I want to try and catch it without missing it.
And now for other locations across west central Texas. It was 83 in Sweetwater. In Brownwood, it was partly sunny with a temperature of
Let me go get my phone.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 76. Elsewhere across the Lone Star State. At Houston, rain was falling with a temperature of 71. Haze was reported with a temperature of 80 at San Antonio and 94 at Brownsville. At Amarillo, it was sunny with a temperature of 81.
Alright, here we go.
Warning system. On good weather days, we test the system every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. In the event of threatening weather, we will delay this test until the next good weather day. Our 8 weather transmitters located near Throckmorton, Sweetwater, Abilene, Coleman, San Angelo, San Saba, Junction, and Azona serve our west central Texas listening area. For the areas these transmitters serve, our broadcast equipment will activate alarm tones and specific area encoder tones for weather watches and warnings, plus some non-weather-related emergency messages. Our weather radio broadcasts to the west central Texas listening area originate from your National Weather Service office in San Angelo, Texas. This concludes our test.
Let's see if we can find the no, for actually, yep, they're just showing a bunch of heat advisories. So this is Texas. See, excessive heat warning, but let's see, only port, and that's not me, at least. Yeah, that's Dallas Fort Worth, so it's okay. At least like I say, I got it.
And now for other locations across west central Texas.
Test. ER50 got it, and it was blinking. It was blinking like you heard, just like that. And yeah, that's it for this week's weekly test.